Everyone, it's Paul here again from the Bloodied Hex. Today I'll be explaining another innate skill for the board game Hoplomachus. The innate skill today I'll be explaining is Embolden, seen here on the champion. Embolden reads, friendly units within 2 hexes of this unit gain the skill Retaliate. I've already done a video on Retaliate, please check it out. I'll put a link up here at the moment and you'll be able to understand the skill Retaliate a bit better. But for those of you that already know, I'll move on. So this unit here, he's got Embolden. It's an innate, so it's always active. So at the moment, we've got a Tactician here. He's going to come in and do 1 damage because he's got the ability. He's got the basic attack of 1 hit, no roll. So he does 1 damage. But because this unit here, his champion is only two hexes away, so he gains the skill Retaliate from the Embolden innate here. So he actually does 1 damage back to the Tactician. So I hope this understands the innate skill Embolden for you. Please check out Hoplomachus. It's a great game, solo, co-op or player versus player. I'll put a link in the description below to the Chip Theory website where you can purchase the game, and thanks for watching.